Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. It's my pleasure to help all the deserving students in this pandemic and make the student to score the very good marks in the upcoming board exam. My dear students, now I have come with the very important news and the information, the breaking news. There is an important announcement of Karnataka board exams 2021. Just now our education minister has declared the very important news regarding the Karnataka board exams. As you can see here, the latest news, the Karnataka second PU board exams 2021 has declared as cancelled. Now the students will be promoted as per the first PU marks and some important criteria they are going to use to finalize the result. Now we can say here that the Karnataka second PU board exams has cancelled. Karnataka second PU board exams 2021 has declared cancelled. Now the students will be promoted. But the Karnataka SSLC board exams 2021 will be held. My dear students, Karnataka SSLC board exams 2021 will be held. There is no cancellation in SSLC board exams. Now the student should get ready to face the board exam. Second PU board exams has cancelled as India's second COVID wave worsens. This announcement was made by the Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar on June 4th, 2021. Children, some important criteria are there. Okay, that is SSLC exam 2021 will be conducted on July 3rd week. Okay, the duration still they have not set the exact date. Shortly they will announce the timetable, and here they have made many changes in the examination pattern and also how to conduct the board exam. Okay, we are going to give you all the details in this session. SSLC exam 2021 will be conducted on July 3rd week only for the subjects one paper, that is mathematics, science, social science. Okay, for all the core subjects one paper, and for all the languages one paper. So totally 2 papers will be there. This year the exam will be conducted one paper for math, science, social. For all the 3 core subjects only one paper, that is based on multiple choice questions, that is objective type questions. One question and 4 options will be given. You have to choose which is the correct answer among that. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಏನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ SSLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು, ಸೈನ್ಸು, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಇದು 3 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ 3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಹಿಂದಿ, ಆ 3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಈ ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, the given present worsening situation of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, the Karnataka SSLC second PUC board exam decided to cancel the class 12th examination. Okay, now they have decided class 12, that is second PU examination, they have decided to cancel. The decision was taken because of the uncertain conditions due to COVID-19 and based on the feedback from the different stakeholders. Now the important announcement and the top developments of regarding SSLC and second PUC exams. Okay, as you can see here, second PU exams has got cancelled, but SSLC exams will be held. The top developments: our education minister Suresh Kumar, after the cabinet meeting, said that second PUC exam will not be held. Instead, all students will be promoted, and SSLC exam will be held based on the objective type questions. SSLC exam 2021 will be held only one paper for all the core subjects mathematics, science and social science. Another one paper for all languages Kannada, English and Hindi. Each subject carries 40 marks, so total paper 1 carries 120 marks. Similarly, paper 2 also carries 120 marks. Each language carries 40 marks. Again, paper 2 also carries 120 marks. Duration is 3 hours and totally we have 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is all languages, paper 2 is all the subjects. Second PUC exam result will now be declared based on the first PUC exam with grading system in a time bound manner. You will be getting this all information shortly and we will update you how the exam results will be declared. Health and safety of students and teachers is our topmost priority and there will be no compromise on this aspect. Like last year, students who still want to take the exam, especially I am speaking about the second PUC students here. The second PUC students who want to take the exam will be given one more chance as the situation improves. Details for the same will be discussed and worked with our experts. Now some problems are raised after this decision, that is further raising questions about the fairness of the internal marking system. The second PUC marks are important as many students from rural areas migrate to cities for the junior college admissions where cutoff marks is renowned, colleges are high. Children, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and share this information as much as possible with your all friends. If you have liked this class in the video, do not forget to click the like button. Okay, and one more important information I just like to give you, as we have started the online classes through Shah Sir Classes. Now based on these multiple choice questions, we are going to start the online classes. Okay, if any students are interested to join for our online classes, and we are going to charge you a minimum fee definitely which you people can afford it, but our intention is none of the students should get failed in the exam and every student have to pass in the upcoming board exam. Based on that, we are going to start the new classes, I mean the new course we are going to start shortly. If any students are interested, you can contact me as per the below given contact number. In the description you can see my contact number. You can call up to me or you can WhatsApp me to collect all the details. Okay, no need to get fear, we are here. Evershine Coaching Center team is with you all. Okay, definitely we help you all to score the very good marks and dream big, dream digital. Thank you, keep watching, take care, wish you all the best of luck. The safety and well-being of our students and teaching faculty is of topmost priority and paramount importance. Thank you, take care, all the best.